So we were sent this solar-powered bird feeder with a built-in camera to test out, and we're going to go ahead and box this together. So right from the start, this box is Christmas gift ready. You could literally just hand this to someone, put a bow on it, and it's all set. It's beautifully boxed. We love it. It was packaged really well, instructions and manual right on the top, which we like because that way we make sure that we have all the pieces, everything's included. Everything inside the box was packed securely, no loose pieces rattling around, and the feeder itself feels a lot sturdier than I expected. The material doesn't feel cheap or fragile at all, which is important since it's meant to live outside. And the first thing that caught my eye was the camera setup. It's compact and the lens looks really clear. The fact that it's solar powered is a huge win because that means less charging, less hassle for me, and just more enjoying. The solar panel looks solid and connects easily, and it doesn't feel like it's going to wobble or break off with wind or weather. As I pulled everything out, the assembly was really straightforward. The perch, seed container, and camera housing all clicked together without me having to force anything. It actually looks really cute once it's put together, definitely something you wouldn't mind having in your yard or garden. Setting it up outside was simple too. The mount felt strong, and once I attached it to the pole, it didn't shake or lean like some cheaper feeders do. When I powered it on, the 2K camera quality honestly surprised me. Even just testing it without birds, the video looked crisp and the colors were clear. The AI identifying feature is a fun addition. I didn't realize how addicting it would be to see what birds show up. What I love most so far is the idea of getting automatic captures whenever birds land on it. You don't have to stand there waiting. This thing literally records all the cute moments for you. If you love bird watching or you just want something fun in your yard, it feels like one of those devices you'll end up checking more than you've planned. Overall, unboxing and setting this up was really easy and the quality feels way above average. I wasn't expecting to be impressed, but now I'm excited to see what birds show up first. This would also make for a fabulous Christmas present. If you know someone else who loves bird watching, we highly recommend it.